Now we are in room 1619. It's a corner suite, one bedroom, corner suite, one king bed. Okay, and then the closet has the iron board, irons, and hangers. Pretty big closet. And then once you come in, there's a living room with corner sofa, 3-seat corner sofa. And then there's the desk, and then once you open this door is the balcony. You can see the view of the Richmond and a little bit mountain view here. And when you come back, you see there's a microwave, tea and coffee, water, ice bucket, and the fridge here. Big TV in the living room. And then there's bedroom, has a big closet as well. And it has a safety possible inside as well. Some other blanket and hangers. And inside the bedroom is a king bedroom, and another big TV here as well. And let's see the washroom. Washroom is like this. Have this. Hair dryers here, and then wow, they have some crab chin and Evelyn's body wash, shampoo, conditioners, body lotion, and bath soap. And turn around, you see the stand bath shower, and that's it. That's suppose it for my room tour at 1619 at Hilton Vancouver, which is at Richmond.